Yes, hi, my name is Jochen Brenner. I'm the HR director for DACH in P&G. Well, I think first of all, our job is actually to enable the business and the organization. So when I look at, what are the key challenges, I think it's mainly digital transformation, it is organization performance as a whole, and obviously talent attraction, but also talent development and leadership development. I think this really depends on the company. So I know companies where this is more administrative and there are a company where it's more strategic. I think over time things have become more complex, and I see that there's a risk that we fall back into more administrative tasks than doing strategic things. So I'm actually looking forward to a couple of changes here, that we still have more time for strategic things in P&G. In particular, I would say that we are very well embedded in the business. We work multifunctionally. We are part of the business challenges. We are part of the organizational challenges. So I think we are, very well connected with the businesses and as seen as strategic partner. I think first of all, we should understand what drives the complexity and then also start with ourselves. So I think often we look at, processes, products that we don't actually test in HR. So we should be the first one to test it. We should be the first one to use it. We should role model a few things ourselves versus being the ones that at the end of the day have to react. So I think we can play a way more active role in this and also learn things first before we, pass it over to the business. I think there are a lot of things in HR that you can digitize, probably most of it actually, on administrative tasks. So if we can do more here, it would certainly free up some time for higher quality work. At least that's what I see. I think we are well behind in terms of automation, digitization in general in HR because we've started very late. So I do actually think that this would be very helpful to free up time and really do stuff that is way more relevant to the business. Well, I think the need for HR has always been high, but I think it's even higher than before. I think all the challenges, as I just said, managing the transition, shaping the new roles, the new organization setup, how do we help people moving along, skill sets will be different, the way we work will be different. I think there are a lot of topics where we are actually at the forefront to lead this, to guide this, to shape this. I'm not worried about that, but I would rather actually look forward to have some more time and get rid of other stuff that for me personally I don't think adds a lot of value. Well, I think digital skills is for sure something that we need more of because the future will be digital. There will be way more data available. There will be more analysis that we have to do. But it's also something that we had before, but probably more prominent, which is empathy, understanding what the business needs, responding to those needs, and drive this kind of mass customization. So how can we do things on a broader scale, but still do it in a way that it comes across as individualized?